Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuttering Tech. I am Drew, and today I'm doing unboxing of this Holy Stone HS160. This one right here. Now I will leave a link for this particular one in the links down below. I picked this up from Amazon for $70 with I believe it's set to $70 with 20% off, but the price was already discounted. It's actually $100. But yes, this is a budget drone. I actually picked this up for my son because his birthday is coming up on the 31st of May. And even though it says age 14 plus, I didn't want to get a drone in the house because I'm afraid of him. He likes to be a bit silly, and I'm afraid of him trying to drive a drone into his baby sister or myself or his mom. So I got this one where it'll be under my supervision, and we will actually go to the park. I do believe you have to register this with the FAA or FCC, something like that, the FAA. But yes, this is the Holy Stone HS160. It has optical flow, positioning, modular battery, and I actually went for this one because of the battery. It doesn't have those ones you have to hook in the pin. You just slide the battery in, and that's it. You lock it into place. It has 1080p. Yes, that is 2.4 G FPV live video, and it has a flight time of 10 minutes on a single battery. It actually comes with two. Now let me go and open this. Now let's check around the box first. There's nothing much here. The device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules. So yes, an RC drone. Yeah, not much. Let me go ahead and open this. Cut that part open. All right, let's see what we get in here. Okay, so caution of battery, and I'm guessing this is the your usual books and all the instructions you need right there. Let's put that to the side for now. Let's remove this. All right. Okay, this is the blades, propellers, the USB cable. That's a micro USB to USB A. Okay, put that to the side. Here's the end. Here's the controller. I guess this is where you put a strap onto right there. Yeah, I think you put like a linear strap. I don't see anything in there. Also, so those are extra blades in the pocket. So the blades are already on it already. Are these actually? I'm not sure if these are actually real antennas. Okay. Oh, and this is your mount where you mount your phone in. Yes, and this will actually help to support the phone. So I'm not really sure if this is if there is an antenna as well. I really don't see anything other than it being a holder for the phone itself. Let me check the control out. This is your speed, I guess, for different speed modes. Your camera, power. I mean, I really don't know. I've never actually flown a drone before, so this will be a learning experience for the both of us. Actually, I mean, I don't like the feeling of this of these thumbsticks here. I'm not really liking them. It feels rough. It's like sharp. You can actually I get a little poke out of this. Wow, I'm not liking the feeling. The buttons feel is okay. It's tactile. The power button is kind of doesn't have any travel in the power button area here. It's like you just tap it and turn it on and off. That's not good, because what if it's, and hopefully it doesn't just turn off if you tap it and just turns off in midair, because you just have to tap it. It's very easily pressed. Okay, but these buttons have travel. This have travel. The two shoulder buttons have travel. These do nothing basically. It's just here. I guess for grip or whatever. I don't know. And I believe this uses batteries. I believe it said double A's, 2 double A's, I believe. I'll get that open. Let me see if I can get this open. Oh, how the heck do you open this? Oh, wow, it's stiff. Oh, wow, I hope I didn't break anything. That was a stiff opening. So yes, it uses 2 double A batteries. Oh, yes, 2 double A's, which I have those in the house, so that's fine. Let me put this off to the side. And let me take out the boy that we was waiting for. So this is the drone itself. But before me, let me put this to the side for now. Let me just take out the batteries. The batteries are under the drone. They are tiny. Well, it is a tiny drone. It is a tiny drone. So you have 2 of them, and they have micro USB. So you have to charge these individually. I kind of don't like that. I'll check to see if they have a base. If they do have like a charging base or something, I will link that in the description down below. Nothing there except if you want to get your little high with your silicone, everybody using those. Okay, let me just put this to the side, get this out the way. You get rid of this for now. Okay, now look at the main. Oh man, this thing is light. 6AX is gyro. Don't know what that means, but wow, it's light. This feels like a little toy. Just how light it feels. It's like there's no weight to it. It's like a feather. It feels light, like there's nothing in here. Yes, these arms, I guess they swing out. Yes, they do. They have a click to it when you open them. Let's take a listen. Okay. I don't know if you guys heard that, but there's a nice click to them when you open them. And a click when you close them. But this is how it would look when it's fully opened up. That is how it would look. Not too bad, not too bad. You got the extra blades. Could have sworn it said it was going to have propeller guards, but I guess it doesn't. I guess you have to buy those separately. I don't even know how it would snap on in here. Oh, wow. Okay, I don't see any propeller guards there. Okay, let's try putting one of these batteries in. Oops. All right, let me see how this is going to be. How you put this in. Okay, so you line the pins up. You line the pins up here. And you line it up with the pins that's inside of there. And you just snap it in. All right. Oops, nope, I'm doing this wrong. That's how much experience I don't have with drones. No, you have to make sure there's a little extension part here that goes into make sure that goes all the way to the back, and then snap it in. And it doesn't snap, it just goes in. And this is the lock. This is how you release it to open it. Oh yeah, it's a tight fit. Okay, good. It added a little bit of weight. I don't know why I keep thinking this is the front, but this is the front. And I believe it does have lights, and I believe this can move. I don't know if you can control this. I believe you can control the camera to move up and down. I'm not really sure. But this is the camera, the 1080p camera. I don't know if they have any juice in it. I really don't know if they have any kind of juice in it. I mean, I believe they said it can be flown indoors. So, but I don't want to try it right now. But, you know what? I'll give this a try. Hold on, guys. Let me grab up some AA batteries and just stick it into this remote. I'll just turn it on, but I don't think I'll make it fly. I'll just turn it on to see if it has any juice in it. I'm going to check to see, is there any on-off buttons on here itself? No. So I'm going to have to look at the manual to see exactly how I go about turning this thing on, getting it on or whatever. Hi everyone, yes. So now I'm back. I have the drone powered on. I have my phone. My phone screen is dirty right now, but I have my phone. Uh, I'm using the OnePlus 5T and it's connected actually to the Wi-Fi of the drone. Now, the drone does have a power button in the tail end of it, the back. I didn't even notice it until I read the instructions, but it does have, and it does shows you the battery level if you tap it once. So the battery seems to be fully charged. I don't know if it actually shows you it in the app, and you could also do VR with this as well. But yes, it shows you that. I don't know what this is for. I don't know if it. So I don't know how. I really don't have no idea how you turn this thing on, but you can see me right there. But it does work. Wow, it does work extremely well. And I don't know. I'm not sure how you turn this drone on, but yeah. So you turn the drone on, and you hold it in until all the lights are flashing and the green light stays on. Then from there, you are going to go into your phone, and you're going to go to the Wi-Fi, and you are going to select Holy Stone. It comes up as Holy Stone and some numbers at the end. Yeah, it comes up as according to the instructions here, Holy Stone FPV and some numbers. And you select that. You might get prompted. I'm using an Android, so it prompts me to ask me. It tells me that the Wi-Fi has no internet, and if I want to stay connected, I said yes, and I clicked on yes, and that's it right there. So now on the app, you have the option to take pictures and record video, and then you can go through your gallery. I don't really see anything here about an SD card. I don't see no SD card slot on this drone whatsoever. So I guess all your recordings will be done directly from the drone itself. So let me see if it actually comes on. And man, my phone is so heavy that the controller is just tipping over. It's not staying. The controller itself is light as well. My phone, and this is the angle it goes down. It doesn't really have that much angle in it. So I guess you have to use the antennas here to kind of hold it up a bit. Yeah, I think you have to use the antennas to kind of give it. I don't know why it's not. This one is kind of, okay, had it the wrong way. I guess, I don't know, but it's still heavy. The phone is too heavy to stay up. According to the instructions, you will push up on the joystick, then down. The controls will beep 2 times, and as you can see, the lights stop flashing. It's solid now. It's solid lights. Okay, I'm kind of scared for my fingers here. As I said, this is the first time for me. For some reason, it went into VR mode. Here we go. So, and that's how you do it. Let me check to see how you turn it on. Like I said, first time doing this. First time doing this. So they're talking about the mode. I don't know how you like turn the. I'm not sure how you would turn the propellers on. Trying to find that out. Yeah. So the instruction says you want to basically pull these. So the left stick will go to the left. I would say at 6 o'clock, and this will be the 5 o'clock, and you'll pull them together, and it's supposed to turn the propellers on. Let's take a try here. So there we go, guys. There we go. Got some juice here. I just, that's as far as I'm gonna go. Let me turn them off again. Woo! It's going crazy. Okay, that didn't go as well as I was planning, but that's where you don't fly these things in the house. I mean, yes. So I'm going to take this outside. and show you how I get it. I don't have a dedicated camera. Might need some help from my girl to actually record that to see how the drone is going to fly outside. But you will see me next time you see me with the drone. It will be outside.